Welcome to Archgate TMS. This video will quickly demonstrate how to obtain LTL rate quotes, book shipments, track and trace all via our website. We'll also cover ways to prevent any extra charges that could potentially be added to your shipment. Please note that online booking is limited to LTL shipments only. LTL shipments are typically 6 pallets or less, taking up less than 12 linear feet of truck space. If you have a larger shipment, or are unsure if your shipment will qualify for LTL pricing, please contact our customer support team. Let's get started. First, you will need to visit www.archgatetms.com and click Login at the upper right. Enter your username and password, and that will bring you to your company dashboard. Booking shipments is done in 3 easy steps. Click Start a New Order, and that will take you to Step 1. We offer a variety of add-ons you can select, including common accessorial services such as liftgate, inside, and residential. If you are needing a pickup done at an airport or CFS station, make sure to check those as an origin accessorial as well. You can also indicate if you're shipping hazardous material, if you'd like to add additional insurance, or if you'd prefer to use metric versus imperial. White glove delivery and delivery to Puerto Rico are also available. Start your quote by entering your origin and destination zip codes. You can also select a contact from your pre-saved address book. Please note that all fields with blue bars are required fields. Next, enter your commodity information, starting with the number of handling units. Handling units would be the number of pallets or skids or crates, etc. Here you can indicate if the pallets are stackable. Then enter the number of pieces, which would be the total number of boxes or cartons on the pallet. If you don't know the exact number of pieces, simply put the same number as the pallet count. Enter your commodity description along with the dimensions and total weight. Note that your freight class is automatically calculated based on the weight and dimensions. Do you have another pallet that's a different size? Click here where it says Add Line Item. You can also enter your commodity information using total cubic meter rather than individual pallet dimensions, and the freight class will still calculate automatically. Click this calculator icon and enter your total cubic meter or cubic feet and click Save and Calculate. As long as the weight and dimensions or cubic meter are not found to be different than what was booked, you have no risk of reclass charges when booking with Archgate. You can now generate your quote, and all available carrier options will display starting with the lowest cost carrier. You will see the carrier name, transit time, base rate and fuel surcharge, along with any accessorial charges detail. Please note these transit times are estimated and calculated in business days, not including the day of pickup, weekends, or holidays. You can select guaranteed LTL options by clicking the Guaranteed Only filter. If your shipment requires special attention and you need dedicated or expedited service, we can provide that for you. Simply contact our customer support team for a quote. At this point, you can save a carrier's rate or select the carrier for booking. That will bring you to Step 2. Here you will enter your origin and destination address and contact information. Note that you can click Add to Favorites to save this address to your address book. Next, select the pickup date and indicate the open and close times at the pickup location. You then have the option to enter a purchase order number, shipper reference number, or load release number. It is highly encouraged that the shipper reference number field be used to enter your internal file number associated with that shipment. This number will be on your bill of lading, tracking emails, and invoice. Click Review Shipment, and that will take you to Step 3. Step 3 is a summary of what was entered on Steps 1 and 2. As long as you don't have to go back to a previous step to make any changes, click Book Shipment to submit your order. Your booking has now been submitted to Archgate, and the pickup request has been sent to the carrier. The next crucial step is to make sure the pickup location has a copy of the Archgate bill of lading printed from our website. LTL drivers typically do not have our bill of lading when they arrive at the pickup location. They rely on whatever document is given them by the shipper. Any other bill of lading used by the shipper could result in extra charges and/or delays in transit. To send the bill of lading, click the red BOL button. From here you can send the BOL right from the website, print to your printer, or download as a file to your computer. This bill of lading can also be used as a delivery order. If you're in the import department and are scheduling a pickup from a CFS station or an airline, please make sure to send this delivery order to the pickup location. We will send a copy of the same delivery order to our driver to have in hand for pickup the next day. Please make sure that any and all charges have been cleared and the freight has been fully released prior to pickup. Be aware that LTL carriers do not guarantee pickups, especially from CFS stations or airlines, and will not reimburse for any storage accrued due to missed pickup. If you need a guaranteed pickup on any shipment, please contact our customer support team and we can arrange a local agent pickup for you. Once your shipment has been booked, you will be sent an order confirmation email as well as automated tracking updates throughout the life cycle of the shipment. The order confirmation and tracking emails both include a click-to-track hyperlink as well as your reference number, estimated date of delivery, Archgate contact information, as well as carrier and shipment details. Our tracking page will be your one-stop shop for all information regarding your shipment. It will display the current shipment status. You can track your shipment using Google Maps by clicking the Location History button. You can also track your shipment via the carrier's website using the Carrier Pro Number hyperlink. All documents pertaining to your shipment, including POD images and inspection certificates, can be found under the Shipment Documents dropdown. If you have any questions while your shipment is in transit, please do not hesitate to call or email our customer support team. All shipments booked with Archgate go through a series of freight charge audits after pickup and again after delivery to ensure the charges billed are the same as quoted. If there is a rate adjustment, such as a reweigh, we will communicate these to you prior to sending our invoice, giving you the chance to dispute any charges you feel are not valid. The most common reasons for charges being added to your shipment are reweigh, reclass, accessorials not added at the time of quoting, and the shipper not using the Archgate bill of lading. For more information on how to prevent charges from being added to your shipment, please visit the FAQ page on our website. Once your shipment has delivered and passed our freight charge audit, we will send our invoice via email. All backup information such as POD and BOL images will be included and available for download. If you need to reprint a copy of an invoice, it is available in the Shipment Documents menu on the Shipments tracking page. You can also access your full statement of outstanding invoices using the Statement link under the main drop-down menu in the upper right. If you ever have any questions pertaining to an invoice, please contact our accounting department. If there are any other topics that you would like more information on, please contact our sales team and one of our staff will contact you. Thank you for watching and thank you for your support of Archgate TMS.